Making of traditional jewelry is a huge interesting process. Silicone or rubber molds of the jewelry pieces are created. These molds are in two halves and have a cavity that corresponds to the shape of the final product. Molten wax is injected into the mold cavity under pressure. Once the wax cools and solidifies, the mold is opened and the wax model, pattern, is removed. Individual wax models are attached to a central wax rod, forming a tree-like structure. This allows multiple pieces to be cast simultaneously. Sprues, small wax rods, are used to connect the models to the central rod, ensuring a pathway for the molten metal during casting. The wax tree is placed in a metal container called a flask. The flask is filled with a liquid ceramic slurry, investment material, that surrounds and covers the wax tree. The investment is allowed to harden, capturing the detailed shape of the wax models. The molten metal is poured into the ceramic mold, filling the cavities left by the wax models. The metal is allowed to cool and solidify within the mold. The ceramic investment is broken away, revealing the rough metal jewelry pieces attached to the central sprue rod. Finally, these pieces are immersed in an electrolyte solution containing the precious metal, such as gold, silver, or rhodium. Hollow jewelry pieces are made using press cutting machine. They are used to form the pendant and other artistic components. The small pieces are arranged according to the design. Once that is done, casting powder is poured onto it to fix the pieces in place. Then the pieces are soldered to form the necklace structure. They are joined using small metals pieces and balls, by melting them. All the process is purely hand done. This process is used to make various modern and traditional designs. Finally, all the components are assembled by the women artisans and it is exclusively handmade process. Kalapuri encourages women empowerment and most of the above tasks are performed by women artisans. Women are encouraged to work and are given flexible hours. Some women work at the plant as well as from their home. Each piece is carefully weaved and crafted. Attractive stone pieces are used to enhance the beauty. And this is how the process results in handmade high-quality traditional Kolhapuri jewelry that closely resembles genuine jewelry. At Kalapuri we are reviving the traditional handmade jewelry craft and these beautiful designs are made with love by our women artisans. Finally, here comes some of the traditional Kolhapuri jewelry, and these hardworking and skilled hands behind the process.